Hi everyone, this is Paul Cooper, the host of the Take Note podcast, and on this episode of Take Note for a Minute, we're going to talk about short sales. A short sale is when a borrower is unable to pay the full amount of the mortgage or loan that's on the property. And what they do is they're able to work out with the lender for a lesser or shorter price of what's owed. So this means that if someone owed $100,000 on their property, but they weren't able to sell it for that price, maybe they could sell it for $80,000 if the bank was to accept an amount less than what's owed. So if they were to accept something less than $100,000, then that property is being sold at a short sale. That's it for this episode of Take Note for a Minute. We'll be bringing more to you soon.